In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own voice in ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so you can kick off a custom voice in just a few moments. First, once you're inside the ElevenLabs interface, head to the Voice Lab area. This is the workspace where all voice-related tools live, everything from managing the voices you've already made to starting brand new ones. Here, you'll find options that let you shape a voice to your needs. Whether you're building a character, matching a brand tone, or creating a personal narration voice, start by clicking on Voices. You'll usually find this in the main navigation or sidebar, labeled clearly so it's easy to spot. Opening this section gives you a clean overview of voice features, along with quick access to your existing content. Think of it as your central dashboard for anything voice related in ElevenLabs. Next, click My Voices. This is your personal library, your home base, where every voice you create will appear, neatly listed and ready to use. It's a great spot to keep things organized, compare results, and come back later to refine or reuse the voices you've built. If you're collaborating with a team, this area is especially handy for keeping track of approved voices. From here, click Create a Voice. This button opens the creation options and is your starting point for building something new. When you click it, you'll see available methods designed for different needs, from quick cloning to more hands-on approaches. The interface guides you step by step, so you can focus on the creative decisions rather than hunting for settings. Now, click on Instant Voice Clone. Note that this feature requires an active subscription to unlock. Instant Voice Clone is designed to capture the tone, pacing, and character of a voice efficiently, giving you a high-quality result with minimal setup. If you're not on a plan that supports it, you'll be prompted to upgrade before proceeding. As a best practice, always make sure you have the legal right to use any voice you clone and that your source audio, when you provide it, is clear and representative of how you want the final voice to sound. That's the core flow. Voices, My Voices, create a voice, then Instant Voice Clone. Follow the on-screen guidance from there, and you'll be set up to produce natural, consistent speech in your own style. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your voice in ElevenLabs.